Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Jio Set Top Box. First, make sure your Jio Set Top Box has a strong and stable internet connection, ideally through an Ethernet cable for the best performance. Next, open the Jio Store or Google Play Store directly from your Set Top Box's main menu. Use the remote control to type Roblox into the search bar and locate the official application. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once you've found the official Roblox application, select it to view its details page. You'll then see an Install button. Click this to start the download. The application size is typically around 150 megabytes, so the download time will vary based on your internet speed. Please be patient as the installation completes. A stable connection will ensure a quick and error-free setup, getting you closer to playing your favorite games. After Roblox has successfully installed, launch the application from your Set Top Box's app drawer. You'll be presented with the login screen. If you already have a Roblox account, simply enter your username and password. For new players, there's an option to create a free account directly within the app. This process usually takes less than 5 minutes, requiring basic information like a username, password, and birth date to ensure age-appropriate content. With your account set up, you can now explore the incredible universe of Roblox games. The platform offers millions of user-created experiences, from adventure to simulation. Simply browse the categories, select a game that interests you, and click to join. You can use your Jio remote for basic navigation, but for a better gaming experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth gamepad. This will give you more precise control and enhance your gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.